Today I want to talk to you about balancing what you post on your social media to improve your chances for success. Be sure to keep watching. Let's jump right into this. First things first. Do not sell on each of your posts. One of the biggest mistakes across all social media platforms is that every single post is essentially an ad. Keep in mind that people online can smell out an ad from a million miles away. They understand the function of ads, why they are there, and that they probably aren't going away anytime soon. But you need to find a balance. Keeping a balance between posts that are about content and ads that are selling will create trust and eventually lead to more sales. The key function of social media is going to be a spread of brand and develop a community of people. We've broken down where and how much you should be expending your energy and resources on social media platforms. As you will see in this graphic, 70% is engagement and reach. A majority of your time should be spent using this social media, big surprise, like social media platform. Be sure to reply to comments, message people, and just engage with your community. Okay, next up is a little more tough. 20% is trust and affinity. Like I said, people aren't idiots. You have to believe that they're following you because they're interested and leave it alone at that. Lastly is the smallest proportion of your posts. 10% should be sales. Quick, vibrant post selling will grab people's attention, and if you've done everything else right, you'll be much more willing to buy at this point. That is all for today though, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more Nichehacks tips and tricks. See you next time.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you might like this video right here or this video right here. Check them out.